Hey guys, this is a new program called Billy at the Kitchen. This is the first episode and I'm actually at Hostaria. Jen, my brother, so he's going to teach me how to make carbonara, right? Carbonara. Actually it's pasta with cheese, bacon and egg. So let's see how I do. But we don't have this at home, right? So if we had a pot, so we do the same thing. I mean, I don't even have this big of a pot. How much it is? 110 grams, okay. 5 grams, I don't know, like this big, you know, like a dice, you know. Okay. Right, this is from your hometown, yes. Very Italian. Yes. The bacon. Should I do this?
You can.
Like a professional cook. A little bit more crispy, like that.
Yeah. So
throw it inside?
Yeah. All.
Okay. And like this.
Yeah. Now let the white go out.
Yes.
Mix it.
Is it enough?
You mix it. Yeah, to become like a cream together. You more.
Like this?
This side?
Like this is enough?
Okay.
Pepper.
Yeah,
Okay.
because carbonara that means
Put this into this,
yes.
and then start the fire and cook for a minute to yes, this order, right? Two egg yolk for 110 grams. Okay, so if I have like 220, so I need 4 egg yolk for serving of 2. Okay. Có phân鐘rồi.
Có phân钟tổng nữa hả?
Okay, okay. Up. Okay. So should I add it in now? It's okay to do this, right?
Yes.
Okay.
You are.
Don't worry. Okay. And then just dump the whole thing in.
All inside. Mix. Fast. After together, you move to the back.
Enough?
Perfect.
My first dish! Yes!
Thank you.
Please try. And give me the comments.
You made it.
Is it good?
Yeah.
I think I did good. So Jen, thanks. Okay, I need to tell you why I picked this dish. You know, when I was in Hong Kong, when I was young, we always eat like pasta either with the tomato sauce or like creamy sauce. And I have been loving the creamy sauce a lot. And I have no idea how to make it. So that's why when I talked to you like almost like a year ago, I said you're gonna teach me. So I'm so happy today. We did that together. So what do you think? What do you think, man?
I'm proud of you because you choose a not simple recipe and you actually made it very good. So
Really? Okay.
You should be proud as well.
You know, I actually I did make something like that when I was younger, but I did not use the same approach. It's a totally different approach.
Yes.
But this one tastes, I mean, 1,000 times better than what I did. You know. So thanks a lot. You know, thank you once again. So maybe next time I come back and we do other stuff. You know.
Let's try.
But no steak because I don't eat beef. So, but other dish, but no steak. Okay. Once again, guys, I love doing this. We'll see what we are gonna do next month. Jen, my brother.